Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FIMI X8 Drones. The FIMI X8 drone is a nice starter for anyone who is considering buying and testing the quadcopter for the first time. Small and foldable. It weighs less than 250 grams, plus or minus 10 grams, depending on the battery, so you can carry it even in your pocket. The X8 model is used for real-time video transmission. According to the product's description page, it has an 8 km transmission range. To be honest, this may sound a bit exaggerated, but customers haven't complained about this feature in the reviews section. The drone supports fast charging, although the exact charging and flight times are not indicated. It can sync with your smartphone via Wi-Fi. Equipped with highly efficient rotors, the drone can withstand level 5 winds, allowing you to use it in mountainous areas or above the sea to capture breathtaking views. While the majority of reviews for this model are positive, there are some minor complaints, such as issues with the fast discharging battery. Number 2. For E88 PRO Drones. This compact foldable Chinese drone is equipped with everything a beginner might need when learning to operate a quadcopter. The small size and foldable body allow you to carry the drone wherever you need. When folded, its dimensions are approximately 12.6 by 8 by 5 centimeters. With 100 minutes of charging time, you'll get around 15 minutes of flight, which is typical for basic drones. The camera is decent, although it may not be exactly 4K as claimed by the manufacturer. It still offers 90 to 180 degree adjustment options for various shooting angles and a 1600 watts video image quality, although this claim is doubtful, to be honest. But if a stable Wi-Fi connection is provided, you can watch real-time image transmission, capturing breathtaking aerial views. To ensure that the picture is not blurred, the drone supports a HOV mode for the better stabilization. In terms of control, you can set up a trajectory for the drone to follow. This significantly simplifies the operation. Number 3. Q6 5G Drones. It looks like something straight out of a cyberpunk movie. The Q6 drone is an advanced 8K model equipped with avoidance smart technology, intended to protect the device from collisions. It scans the surrounding area within 1.5 meters to detect obstacles and navigate accordingly. To avoid trees, buildings, and walls, the Chinese drone is beginner-friendly because it features a simplified control mode. It uses only one key for takeoff and landing, and headless operation ensures that you don't have to constantly choose the direction or balance altitude. In addition, the quadcopter is equipped with 2 HD cameras. The image can be transmitted to your smartphone in real time, and with a 3,000-meter flight range, you'll get to enjoy some of the most breathtaking views. The 1800 mAh capacity battery provides 25 minutes of flight time, surpassing the performance of most drones available on Aliexpress. While customers praise the device for its fancy design and decent specs, there are several complaints. For example, it is hard to synchronize the smartphone and controller, and the drone itself is very fragile, so it is better to be careful when using it outdoors. Number 4. LSS-1S Mini Drones. The manufacturer lists the 360-degree smart obstacle avoidance system among the drone's main features. Unlike others, this model scans its surroundings in 4 directions. This provides more security during operation, ensuring that the drone won't unexpectedly collide with anything during the flight. We have also tried to understand what the brand means by the 7-level brushless power. Apparently, it refers to increased stabilization and wind resistance when compared to older models. With a power output of 3,200 revolutions per minute, the drone can be used to shoot photos and videos in harsh conditions, such as above the sea or in the desert. Both cameras support the remote control angle option, real-time image transmission, and can shoot photos, videos in 8K high resolution. But here's the tricky part. On Aliexpress, The review section features some amazing HD photos allegedly taken by the drone, but other customers claim that these examples are fake. What we recommend is to keep your expectations in check and treat this drone as a decent tester, as finding a real 8K drone on Aliexpress is difficult. Number 5. Z908PRO Drones. Its key feature is the escape camera capable of adjusting its angle up to 150 degrees to ensure multi-dimensional shooting. You can make looking up shots, set up head-up shooting for horizontal frames, or capture perfect overhead shot videos. In addition to the main 150-degree escape front camera, the drone has a smaller bottom camera with a 120-degree angle, providing additional shooting range. If you are afraid that your expensive drone may collide with an obstacle, then you'll like the fact that this model is equipped with a 3-dimensional obstacle avoidance system. It scans the environment in front, on the left and the right of the drone to make sure that no unexpected collisions happen. If you are traveling solo and want to capture perfect pictures on your own, the gesture recognition technology can help you. Just face the drone, wave your hand, or make a peace sign, and voila, the drone will take a picture or record a video within the next 3 seconds. While the model received positive reviews from more than 200 customers, it has a number of complaints as well, such as the tragic quality of the video, which doesn't stand near the promised 4K. Our advice is to use the drone as a practice model before investing in something more expensive.